guys, namaste. Welcome back to Ankita's Creations. So in today's video, we are going to be painting a beautiful, simple blue themed dot mandal art on a canvas board. Chotu sa pyara sa dot mandal art. So let's get started.
I've already painted my canvas with a black base because I wanted to paint my dot mandal on a black base. I've let it dry and now it's ready to paint. First I'm going to find the center of my canvas to start with the first dot in the center. Now my canvas is all set for the painting, so I'm gathering all the shades of blue acrylic paints I have because I wanted to do a blue themed dot mandal art. I'll also mix some more shade of blues in between if I want, and I'm also taking a white acrylic paint because white is always good to have a kind of border or differentiation in between your dot mandal art. So first dot में ही mistake हो गई, it didn't came out to be a good round circle, so I'm using a very thin dotting tool to fix my circle, and then I'll start with a very light shade of blue with the first round of dots for my dot mandal. Once I'm done with the first row of dots, I'm going to take some little bit darker shade of blue than this and then make my second row of dots, and likewise I'll be going on with various shades of blue, somewhere dark, somewhere light, and adding some whites in between. As always, I don't have any end result of my painting in my mind. I go just as I follow the process. So I'll fix my shades, I'll gather new shades, or I'll remove some shades. It depends on what I feel like when I'm painting. So yeah, now I'll let you guys enjoy this painting with some music. So we are approaching near to the finish the artwork, and these are the final strokes which I'm making with my dotting tool. Yeah, I'm also thinking to start an online workshop for dot mandal. So if you are interested to attend the workshop or join the workshop, please comment down below and I'll plan accordingly how many people are interested. So I'll be able to share more details soon. Yeah, I hope you like this artwork.
So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. अगर आप कब से वेट कर रहे हो या ट्राई करना चाहते हो डॉट मंडल आर्ट, so I am challenging you to start it today after watching this video. Start it. It will take some time to get practice. to get your hands set on those tools और dots बराबर आएंगे उसके बाद. If you want, you can draw grid lines, but I prefer freehand dot mandal art, so you can do whatever you like and just enjoy the process and have fun creating art. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.